The COVID-19 crisis has turned so many local businesses upside down, but tonight we're bringing you the story of a Romulus company who's found a way to adapt to the crisis while fighting the spread of the virus. Here's Ross Jones with more.
We manufacture aluminum scaffolding.
For years, Magnum Tools in Romulus specialized in making light-duty construction tools. But since the COVID-19 outbreak, owner Dan Martin has entered into a different line of work.
So fair to say you were not in the sneeze guard business a month ago?
Not even a conception.
Like virtually every business owner in Michigan, Dan watched his sales plummet as the pandemic took hold. But last week, he got an idea for how he could keep his business running and help keep people healthy, too.
I'm standing at my favorite 7-Eleven in my neighborhood of Wyandotte, and I noticed a kid on a bicycle coming in, coughing and sneezing.
So Dan came up with the idea of building portable plexiglass barriers that would sit at a store counter. The target audience, he says, store clerks, gas station employees, and anyone who works in close contact with customers.
Let's make something in volume. Let's make it standard sizes.
And since last week, he and his 6 employees have put scaffolding on hold and ramped up their production of sneeze guards. And they can't build them fast enough. Magnum Tools has sold 1,600 so far, mostly for businesses here in the Detroit area, but some out of state too. Word of Dan's booming business even made its way to the governor.
Magnum Tools in Romulus is making countertop sneeze guards.
And maybe most impressive, while so many businesses are looking at cutting back their workforces, Magnum Tools has actually expanded.
We've actually added people on payroll.
Those sneeze guards come in 2 different sizes and retail between $200 and $300. If you'd like to learn more, we have a link on our website right now, WXYZ.com. We're in Detroit tonight. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
All right, Ross, thank you.